One day, you reach office and there is a GST notice on your table showing a huge tax demand, and now you are wondering why this notice when you have filed everything properly. But wait, did you check everything properly or you just assume everything is done properly by your team? Well, here are 4 checks that will help you to avoid GST notices. Check number 1. Sales as per your book should match with sales that you are reporting in GSTR-1. If your book says you have made a sales of 10 lakhs but your GSTR-1 says you have made a sales of 8 lakhs, congratulations. You just gave tax officer a reason to call you, and he will call you soon. Second, your liability that you have declared in GSTR-1 should match with your liability that you have reported in GSTR-3B. You filed your taxes properly in GSTR-1 but then you are paying taxes less in GSTR-3B. That's like ordering a full meal but paying only for the half of that. And now tax department will come to you with the full bill and ask you to pay the balance amount. Third, your ITC in GSTR-3B should not be more than your ITC that is available in GSTR-2B. Claiming more ITC than it is allowed, that's like trying to withdraw 1 lakh rupees from your bank with having just 50,000 rupees as your balance. Bank will not allow it, neither will the tax department. And lastly, your GST balances in your book should match with the balance that is available on the portal. Your GST portal shows a balance of 5,000 but your books is showing a balance of 50,000. Either you have found a magic trick or you are about to get a notice. The probability of second being happening is the most. GST compliance is not magic. It is just about proper checks. Do this and avoid litigation, or don't and be prepared to receive GST notices. Let me tell you a true story of a client. I once onboarded a client who thought that GST compliances were done regularly on a timely basis. Turns out his GSTR-1 numbers were not matching with GSTR-3B and the ITC that he claimed was off by lakhs. Result, a tax notice demanding explanation and asking for interest and penalties along with taxes short paid. One proper checklist later, now he is having a peaceful night. Moral of the story is GST compliance is like an exam. Match your answers properly or be prepared for a GST department to serve you a notice. Like this, if you hate receiving tax notices, share it with a business owner who may need this, and follow me unless you enjoy surprise visit from tax department.